If you have been experiencing a tingling numbness in your hand and wrist, which leads to a sharp piercing pain up your arm, chances are you have carpal tunnel syndrome. In this week's health report, Jamaica Mitchell tells us more about the condition.
Health report. Carpal tunnel syndrome usually starts gradually with frequent burning, tingling, itching, or numbness in the palm and fingers, especially the thumb, index, and middle fingers. It's a very painful condition that is aggravated during or after certain activities that involve the wrist and the fingers. Some persons may also experience it when they wake up early in the mornings. Consultant neurosurgeon Dr. Kevin Wade says the cause of carpal tunnel syndrome is not known.
It is of growing concern in our population with the increasing use of laptops and other computers, typing, etc. It's also a concern with persons who do any kind of repetitive actions of the wrist, such as carpenters using a hammer, or persons who wash clothes with their hands, and other things like that.
Research has shown that women are more likely than men to develop the painful disorder.
They can, after time, start to have weakness and clumsiness in the hands, especially with movements that require small movements of the hand, such as buttoning your shirt, zipping your pants, or opening a jar.
Dr. Wade says the condition is treated with medication and surgery. However, after surgery, carpal tunnel syndrome will not go away entirely, but persons will find at least 60% relief from intense pain.
Important things to prevent are to use ergonomic keyboards, take rest in between periods of typing, observe the position of your hands, and any other repetitive actions that you do, you should utilize techniques that reduce repetitive actions that can, exacerbate symptoms at the wrist.
With your health report, I'm Jamaica Mitchell wishing you good health.